Your AI agent may already have more keys than your best employee. And if your team is rushing to automate support tickets, sales ops, finance approvals, or internal research, that is the quiet risk hiding under the excitement. VentureBeat's new piece on AI agent identity governance makes the practical problem very clear. Companies are starting to treat agents like software features, when security teams need to treat them like temporary workers with badges, keys, and limits. Here is the mechanism to remember. The permission leash. A permission leash means an agent does not get a permanent bundle of access because it might need it someday. It gets the smallest permission for the current job, for the shortest useful time, with a clear owner who can pull it back. That sounds boring. Good. Boring is how underdogs keep control when giant platforms are telling everyone to connect every app to every agent. The first mistake is identity blur. A human asks an agent to do work. The agent calls tools. The tools touch records, and suddenly nobody can answer a simple question. Whose authority was that? The employee, the agent, the vendor, the workflow? With a permission leash, every action has a badge. The agent has its own identity. The human who launched the task is recorded. The tool it used is recorded. The permission expires when the task ends. The second mistake is standing access. Old automation loved long-lived tokens because they were convenient. Agents make that habit dangerous because they can chain tasks together, browse context, and trigger tools at machine speed. A key that was harmless in a script can become a master key in an agent workflow. So the practical move is not to ban agents. It is to build a key desk. Before an agent touches email, CRM, code, invoices, or customer data, ask 3 questions. What exact door does it need? For how long? Who owns the decision if it goes wrong? If you cannot answer those in plain English, the agent is not ready for that permission. The third mistake is measuring success only by automation rate. The real scoreboard is reversibility. Can you stop the agent? Can you see what it touched? Can you revoke its keys without breaking the whole business process? That is why small teams can actually beat larger ones here. You do not need a massive governance program to start. Pick one high-value agent workflow. Replace broad access with task-scoped access. Add expiry. Add an owner. Log the tool calls. Review the exceptions every week. That one habit turns agent governance from a policy document into an operating muscle. The headline is not that AI agents are too risky to use. The headline is that agents need identity the way employees need badges. Give them a leash, not a master key. Become the operator whose agents move fast because every key expires on purpose.